Here we are, we keep going through Mexico. Today we woke up at 5 o'clock to leave at 6. 6 o'clock in the morning. Time to pack and go. Because that's the trouble temperature, about 27. And after 11 o'clock, the temperature goes up to 35, 36, 37, and that's already not much fun. But after 2 hours drive, in the middle of nowhere, when it was still 2 hours to our destination, we got a hole in our tire. That was a bit stressy, so we found a local guy. He drove us to the nearest village, and we all were trying to find somebody to help us to fix that. But it's Sunday, everything is closed. So we came back, we decided to try to do it with our repair kit.
So then, we've got just reading instructions, shall we?
We were a bit nervous about that because Jeremy did that only once, I think, during his off-road course, and with the help. But we managed successfully. So you repaired the tire?
Yeah.
By yourself, with a kid. It's the second time in your life, right?
Second time in my life. The first time I had some help. This time it was absolutely necessary and no help. But yes, got it done. Yes, very pleased.
And that worked actually very well. We fixed that during 15 minutes. Drove to the nearest gas station, pumped that. It's leaking a little bit, but that's okay. It's okay for now. For tomorrow, our destination, of course, will be service. Tomorrow is Monday. Hopefully, everything will be open. We will try to find somebody to change tires. Good luck with that.
Finding a service was surprisingly easy. In a town where you'd never expect proper motorcycle support, we found exactly what we needed, a local workshop called Moto Adventure Service.
Let's see if they can help us. There we go. So what they're doing, they fixing that from inside, right?
Yeah, he's putting a patch on. He put some rubber adhesive on first. Now he's just putting a patch on. Rubbing it is just to make it really stick hard to the adhesive.
That's the 1200, right?
Those are both KTMs. That's a 1290. And this is a 1090. All set up for real serious adventure biking. Some Touratech stuff on that. And other stuff that I don't recognize at all. Moto cases. Yeah. Nice setup. Who would expect to find a shop like this?
Yeah, pretty good shop for
really
middle of nowhere.
Pretty remote part of Mexico.